Hello dear students, today I am going to teach you three laws of motion. There are three laws of motion, and in today's video we will discuss only about the first law of motion. Okay, and also we will know about the some terms related to first law of motion like inertia, and also we will know about the fact behind some natural phenomena like why the leaves of the trees falls down when shaken vigorously, and also when carpet beaten then the dust falls downward, and also why the passengers in a bus feels a force in forward direction when bus suddenly stops or driver applies brakes, and also why we falls back in backward direction when bus suddenly start from rest to motion. So about all these facts we will understand by this law. Okay, so first of all I will write about the first law of motion. I am going to write here, you write down in your copy. So what are the first law of motion? What is the first law of motion? So write down according to this law, according to this law, an object continues to remain in its state of rest or motion in uniform motion. You will write here uniform motion, because motion also will not velocity also will not change. So or uniform motion until and unless an external force applied on it. Okay, this is the first law. According to this law, this first law, an object continues its state of rest or uniform motion until and unless an external force applied on it. Okay, so what is this? For example, means कोई भी object continue करता है its state of rest or motion. अगर कोई चीज rest में है then it will be in rest, and also in motion then it will continue its state of motion until we are not applying or until and unless any external force is applied on it. For example, if you are kicking a football, it will not get stopped until any external force is applied on it. Then you will ask one question, ma'am, but football to stop हो जाता है बाद में. Why? Because of the frictional force. तो हम external force, external means system जो है, system means football, out of that system if any force is working on that. So friction is also a external force. So frictional force, because of that frictional force the football slowly comes to rest. Okay, in the same way when we switch off the fan, you have seen that the fan doesn't stop suddenly. Okay, it stops slowly. पंखा धीरे धीरे बंद होता है ना, देखो. So why it stops slowly? Because of the this force that about that only this law says. Okay, means कोई भी object अगर motion में है then it will continue its state of motion or rest until any external force is applied on it. So then you will ask how the fan gets stopped? Because of the air resistance in our surrounding. Okay, because the air resistance is there in this surrounding, so because of that it slowly gets stopped. Okay, so these are the fact. I will discuss about some fact also later, but first of all you write down in your copy, and after that I will introduce a new term, that is inertia. You have not heard about that in smaller classes, so about that I will discuss. So first of all you write down in your copy. Okay. in example also you can write up to here. In example, if you want example, that what example I gave you, I will write here. You can write in your copy that what is example. A person falls in forward direction when driver applies brakes. Okay, so I will tell you the fact behind it, why it happens. But first of all, you write down under the example of this one. First of all, I will explain what is inertia. In that, I will explain how it happens, because inertia, law of inertia of Galileo law of inertia is also known as the first law of motion, Newton's first law of motion. So I will explain about that. First of all, we need to understand what is the inertia. After that, you will understand about all these facts. Okay, so write down in your copy. After that, I will start inertia. Okay, so shall I start? Shall I rub this one? Okay, I'm rubbing it. After this topic, write down the new topic, that is inertia. You know, if you are playing, you don't want to study, you know. So what is that? Because your interest is in playing. So you are opposing that change in your state of playing. So that is only inertia. अब देखो कैसे समझेंगे, फिर से देख लो. So how you will understand? You have seen so many examples in your general life. Inertia is what? First of all, we have to know what is inertia. So for that, first of all, you write down the definition. Okay. After that, I'll explain. Okay. What is inertia? It is property of a body by virtue of which, or you can write due to which, no? It opposes any change in its state of rest or uniform motion Okay, so it is the property of a body by virtue of which it opposes any change in its state of rest or uniform motion. So that is what? कोई भी body जो होता है, the property of the body by which or due to by virtue of which it opposes any change in its state of rest or motion, that is known as inertia. मतलब किसी भी body के state में if it is in rest, then it will oppose any change in its state. अगर तुम उसको if you want to move that body, then it will oppose it. Okay. Or if any body is in motion, then if you will try to stop it, it will oppose in change in its state. For example, suppose a stone is kept here. If you want to move that, you will push that. Then it will say that I will be stay in rest only. Who will apply force on me? I will oppose. Okay. या फिर तुमको पढ़ने के लिए हो जाता है, तुम बोलते अरे मम्मी को बोलने तो मैं नहीं पढ़ूंगा. Okay. So why those things happen? Because you are not at you don't want to study. Okay. In the same way, inertia क्या होता है? Inertia is the property of the body due to which it opposes any change. ठीक है. जैसे फैन है, when you suddenly switch off the fan don't want to stop suddenly, but it tries to be in motion only, but slowly it comes to rest because of the external force. Okay. इसी तरीके से अगर हम बोलते हैं कोई person है बस में खड़ा है, तो the person is standing in a bus. When driver applies a brake, then he falls. Since पहले वो motion में था, the person was in motion with the bus, but when suddenly he applies brake, the lower body of the person is in contact with the bus के contact में है उसका lower body, but वो जब when the driver applies brakes तो क्या होता है, then the upper body of the person tries to move because he was in motion, the person was in motion, but because of the lower body which is in contact with the bus suddenly stops. So because of that the lower body comes to rest, but the upper body because of the inertia tries to be in motion, and because of that he feels a force in forward direction. Okay, he feels a force in forward direction. Okay, in the same way in backward direction also, when the bus was in rest, it tries to move. Okay, and since lower body is in contact with the bus, so because of the motion of the bus, lower body also moved with the bus, but since our upper body is not in contact with the bus, so because of the inertia, since earlier it was in rest, so upper body tries to be in that same position in the rest. So because of that, so we feel backward, the force in backward direction, and we fall sometimes when we doesn't have any support, then in that time we fall backward in backward direction. Okay, so all those things happen because of inertia. या फिर कोई stone है, suppose it is moving, so that stone will oppose any change in its state of motion, it will continue its state of motion. या फिर stone rest में है तो वो motion में नहीं आना चाहेगा ना, that is what, that is inertia only. So it is a property of the body की property होती है, due to that it opposes any change in its state. या तो वो rest में है, so it will try to be in rest. If it is in motion, it will try to be in motion. So that property is known as inertia. Okay, so that is known as inertia. So the inertia you have written, I think. Okay, example you can write a person or the tree. Example you can write, example of this: trees, leaves of tree get detached from tree when shaken vigorously. So that is the example of inertia. So now you write down in your copy. After that I will start about what are the types of inertia, and in that way we'll discuss about the reasons behind it, and in exam also it comes from this topic. Generally questions come with reason why this happens, why the person falls in forward direction when the driver applies a brake. Those examples you have written na, that will come as a reasoning question, as a why type of question, give reason type questions. Okay, so this question also can come as a give reason question. So about that I will tell you, so you will write in your copy, and also NCERT exercise also you will solve, given in the in text of the chapter and also in the exercise. So now I am going to remove this inertia, and after that I will tell about the types of inertia. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this, or you can pause it and can write. Inertia. What is inertia? How many types of inertia are there? Inertia. 3 types of inertia: inertia of rest, inertia of motion, and third one is inertia of direction. Okay, so inertia of rest, inertia of motion, and inertia of direction. So these are the 3 types of inertia. So about these 3 types we will discuss here. Write down in your copy. about all these topics. Okay, first of all you will write down this one. Now first one type, that is inertia of rest. Okay, inertia of, देखो स्पेलिंग छूट जा रहा है, फीलिंग्स को समझो बच्चों, ठीक है। तुम लोग गलत सही लिखते हो तो भी हम लोग फीलिंग्स को समझ के मार्क्स देते हैं ना। inertia of rest. So what is the inertia of rest? I will write about it. So inertia, the tendency, first of all you write down definition, after that I will explain. The tendency of body to be in rest. Tendency means nature, na? Tendency of body to be in rest is known as inertia of rest. Write down in your copy. Then this side I will write inertia of rest. Or you can write this definition as, like that: the tendency of body to oppose any change in its state of rest is also known as inertia of rest. Like this also you can write. Any definition you can learn, both are correct. The tendency, I'll write here, it's the tendency of body to oppose any change in its state of rest is known as inertia of rest. Both are correct. Whatever you like can write in your copy. Which one you like can write in your copy. So tendency of body to oppose any change in its state of rest is known as inertia of rest. मतलब उसके inertia, उसके rest position में जो कोई change होता है तो उसको वो oppose करता है. That tendency, that nature is known as inertia of rest. Written? Now I will write the next examples also and reason also. I will tell you that how you will write in exam. So what are the examples? Examples already I have told you about that when bus suddenly, or start also you can write, start from rest, then passengers feels a force in backward direction. Or you can write passengers fall back in backward direction. Okay, so that is the example also. This question can come like that. That question I will write this side. One more example. First of all you write down, then I will tell how the question will come. Now another example, when carpet beaten, dust falls down and carpet moved in direction of force. Okay, so these are the examples. Some more examples also you can write, like when tree shaken vigorously, then the leaves falls down. That examples also you will write. You can write in your copy. How these questions can come in exam, that also I will tell you later. First of all, you write example. Another example, when leaves of when tree shaken, the leaves of tree falls when tree shaken vigorously. डोंट वरी, पूरा एनसीईआरटी बताऊंगी, कुछ भी नहीं छूटेगा. The leaves of tree falls when tree shaken vigorously. Okay, so these are the examples of the inertia of rest. And if question comes, why like that, like this, why, question I am writing for this one, for third one I am question I am writing. Some questions are also given in your NCERT, so for that questions answer you will write like that. First of all, I will tell you what are the questions, like why the leaves of tree get detached from tree when shaken vigorously. Okay, shaken vigorously. Spelling, if you are not getting ना, by sound you can write vigorously. ऐसे ही पढ़ते हैं हम लोग, vigorously. And then when shaken vigorously, then what happened? Why the leaves of tree get detached from shaken tree? Okay, so why? Because of for that you will, what will be the answer? You can write in short that due to inertia of rest. That's enough. Due to inertia of rest. Due to inertia of rest. थोड़ा समझ लेते हैं, ठीक है? Now see, when bus suddenly start from rest, then the passengers falls a force in backward direction. I have already explained about it in when I was explaining क्या inertia समझाया था तुमको. तो what happens? देखो, when bus driver suddenly start the bus, so what happens? Our whole body tries to be in rest because already वो rest में था, so because of inertia it will try to be in rest. ठीक है, जैसे तुमको बोला जाता है सो जाओ सो जाओ सो जाओ, तो तुम जाग रहे होते हो तो you don't want to sleep, या फिर तुम सो रहे हो तो कोई उठाता है तो बोला अरे सोने दो ना माँ, ठीक है, ऐसे बोलते हो. सो व्हाट हैपेंस, जनरली हमारी जो टेंडेंसी होती है वो क्या होती है, किसी भी चीज को जो हमको कहा जाता है उसको अपोज करने की. ठीक है, इन द सेम वे क्या होता है, व्हेन द बस स्टार्ट, तो क्या होता है, व्हेन द बस स्टार्ट द बस मूव एंड द लोअर बॉडी ऑफ द पर्सन is start moving with the bus, but the upper body which is not in contact with the bus, देखो डायरेक्टली कांटेक्ट में तो नहीं है, लोअर बॉडी इज इन कॉन्टैक्ट, इनडायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट विद द बस ना. सो द अपर बॉडी tries to be in rest. The lower body has what I was telling about the rest. So what happens when the bus starts moving, then the lower body start moving with the bus, but the upper body, because of its tendency of rest, it tries to be in rest. because of the inertia of rest, it try to be in rest. और वो rest में क्या करता है, because of inertia of rest वो अपने आप को rest में ही रखना चाहता है. तो वो यहाँ पे था, बस आगे चल गई, lower body has moved, है ना, वो मूव कर चुका है, but the upper body tries to be in the same position. ठीक है, वैसे ही रेस्ट में उसी जगह पे रहना चाहता है. So because of that we feels a force in backward direction. Like कभी कभी हमको लगता है कि हम गिर भी जाएंगे पीछे साइड में. Okay, so that is because of inertia of rest. Okay, or in the same way you can understand for the when the carpet beaten, dust falls down and carpet moves in the forward direction. When you beat the carpet, तो carpet कैसे पटकते हो ना, या फिर wall पे पटकते हो, तो वो क्या होता है, because of अब तुमने उसको किसी भी स्टिक से जब बीट करते हो तो क्या होता है, देन द कारपेट, बिकॉज ऑफ योर फोर्स कारपेट हैज मूव्ड, बट द डस्ट पार्टिकल्स ट्राइज टू बी इन रेस्ट, वो क्या करते हैं, रेस्ट में रहना चाहते हैं, तो वो उसी पोजीशन पे रुक जाते हैं, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रेविटी दे फॉल्स डाउन। डस्ट को जब तुमने कारपेट को बीट किया तो कारपेट बिकॉज ऑफ फोर्स वो क्या कर रहे हैं, वो मूव कर जा रहा है, बट डस्ट पार्टिकल बहुत ज़्यादा कांटेक्ट में नहीं रहते हैं विद द carpet, so because of that inertia of rest, dust particle will try to be in rest in that position only। तो क्या होता है, carpet will move और dust particles क्या होते हैं, वही रह जाते हैं, and because of gravity it falls down। Okay, so that is the reason when carpet beaten, dust falls down and carpet moved in forward direction। And then I have explained about this one also, why the leaves of the tree get detached when shaken vigorously। तो कैसे क्या होता है, ट्री जब शेक किया जाता है तो सो द लीव्स ऑफ द ट्री tries to be in rest, और उसके जो वो ब्रांच ऑफ ट्री जो होते हैं वो ट्राई करते हैं मूव करना। अब जब एयर से वो मूव करते हैं तो लीव्स जो बहुत ज़्यादा कांटेक्ट में नहीं है विद द ट्री, सो दे फॉल्स डाउन बिकॉज दे ट्राइज टू बी इन रेस्ट, वो उसी पोजिशन पे रहना चाहते हैं। व्हेन द ट्री मूव तो क्या होता है, वो वहीं पे leaves रुक जाती हैं, and they falls down due to the gravity। so these are the reasons behind all these phenomena। and एग्जाम में आएगा तो तुम मेरी तरह इतना explanation नहीं करोगे, you will write only because of inertia of rest। okay, so I am removing it, I hope you have written in your copy। okay, this side I am removing, you can write down from that side। Another heading is inertia of motion। I think it's a little more, na, it's a lengthy video, na, let me see, little bit I will teach more। okay, wait, inertia of motion। so what is the inertia of motion? Same definition you will write, only at the place of rest you will write motion। the tendency of body to oppose any change in its state of motion is called inertia of motion। up to here you write down, then I am going to change the marker। okay, so I hope you have written up to here। okay, inertia of motion। so example also you can write some examples। examples of motion also you can write। example, fan continues its state of motion after switched off also। okay, and second example is you can write the passenger passengers of GERS. Now passengers of bus falls forward when bus driver applies brake. When bus driver applies brake. So these are the examples of it. I'll explain. First of all, you write down. Okay. Shall I remove this side? Okay, I'm removing it. Then I will tell you about inertia of direction. About this I'll explain. Well, first of all, okay. Now see, the fan continues the state of rest, state of motion after switch off the fan. देखो switch off करते हो fan को. After that also I have explained also about it. That fan क्या होता है, वो continue करता है. It's a state of motion because of inertia of motion. So reason you can write that because of inertia of motion. Also a passenger falls in forward direction. Now when the bus driver applies brake, when he applies brake, bus comes into rest. So our lower body part are in contact with bus. So because of that, our lower body comes in contact, comes to rest. But our upper body, because of inertia of motion, since earlier the bus was in motion, so because of inertia of motion, our body was in motion. So because of inertia of motion, our body tries to move in forward direction. वो अपने मोशन को कंटिन्यू रखना चाहता है, तो वो आगे जाता है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट बस के कांटेक्ट में रहने से हमारा लोअर बॉडी तो क्या होता है, बस के साथ साथ रेस्ट में आ जाता है. लेकिन हमारा अपर बॉडी जो होता है, बिकॉज ऑफ मोशन इट ट्राइज टू मूव इन फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन एंड सो दैट यू फील्स अ जर्क इन फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन. ओके, सो दैट इज द रीजन. तो तुमको ये क्वेश्चन कैसे भी बना के है, तुम बस आंसर सिंपल क्या लिखोगे, यू विल राइट बिकॉज ऑफ द इनर्शिया ऑफ motion. Okay, the third I am going to write inertia of direction. Okay, so what is the inertia of direction? But same definition, the tendency of body to oppose any change in its direction, in its direction is called inertia of direction. Okay, inertia of direction. Understood? Write down in your copy. Written? So this side I'll write example. Write down, when car turns, then persons inside car feels or experience a force in outward, या ऐसे लिख सकते हो, when car turns on circular road, then person inside car experience a force in outward direction to the center of circular road. देखो जब तुम बैठते हो तो हमको क्यों बोला जाता है कि सीट बेल्ट तुमको लगा के रखनी है, क्यों? बिकॉज हम अगर सपोज सडनली यू आर जस्ट टर्निंग द कार, तो जो कार टर्न करता है तो उसमें पर्सन, तुम लोगों ने देखा कार ऐसे अचानक से मुड़ती है तो तुम क्या देखते हो? तुम इधर गिरने लगते हो। कार ऐसे मूव कर रही है, तुम इधर गिर रहे हो। तो क्या हो रहा है वहां पे? जब हम क्या कर रहे हैं, वी आर चेंजिंग द डायरेक्शन। पर्सन ऐसे जाना चाह रहा था, अभी तुम सीधे सीधे ऐसे जा रहे थे एंड यू हैव सडनली चेंज द डायरेक्शन। तो यू विल एक्सपीरियंस, जब ऐसे टर्न करते हो तुम क्या करते हो? इस डायरेक्शन में फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस करते हो, बिकॉज पर्सन क्या चाहता है कि वो अगेन इन द सेम डायरेक्शन ट्राइज टू मूव एंड द कार इज मूविंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन। बिकॉज ऑफ दैट हम इधर ही ऐसे लुढ़कते जाते हैं सारे के सारे जो फैमिली मेंबर्स होते हैं एक दूसरे के ऊपर, ठीक है? तो क्यों होता है? बिकॉज ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ डायरेक्शन। ओके, बिकॉज तुम यू आर ट्राइंग टू टर्न द कार और तुम्हारे इनर्शिया के चलते तुम क्या कर रहे हो? इधर मूव कर रहे हो। ओके, तो बिकॉज ऑफ द डायरेक्शन ऑफ, बिकॉज ऑफ द इनर्शिया ऑफ डायरेक्शन, ठीक है? तो हम सर्कुलर रोड पे इसीलिए फोर्स की तरह एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं इन दिस डायरेक्शन ऑल्सो। इसीलिए कार, जब साइकिल या कोई चीज हम कार टर्न करते हैं ऑन द बैंक्ड रोड मीन्स जो थोड़ा सा ऐसे इंक्लाइन रहता है, ऐसे टर्न होते हैं, तो हम क्या करते हैं? साइकिल को अपने थोड़ा सा बेंड करके या बाइक को अपने थोड़ा सा बेंड करके ऐसे मूव करते हैं। क्यों मूव करते हैं? क्योंकि हम वी एक्सपीरियंस, बिकॉज ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ डायरेक्शन वी एक्सपीरियंस अ फोर्स इन आउटवर्ड डायरेक्शन, ठीक है? हम आउटवर्ड डायरेक्शन फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं, बट to maintain that force we just bend our cycle or bike, क्यों? जिससे कि हम उस फोर्स को बैलेंस कर सके एंड हम फॉल ना करें उधर। इसीलिए जब कार बहुत स्पीड में रहती है, अचानक से सडनली टर्न करती है, देखो कभी कभी उधर जाके गिर जाती है, उलट जाती है कार। सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ओनली, ठीक है? सो बिकॉज ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ डायरेक्शन। आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल, ठीक है? So shall I for today I think it's enough because it's a very lengthy video. More than that, if I will teach then you will feel very bored. So I am just I think it's over. This topic is over. Almost I have done this topic, and in the next lecture I will start the second law of motion, which is very important. That's derivation is very important generally, which comes in your exam, ठीक है? सेकेंड न्यूटन सेकेंड लॉ का डेरिवेशन जनरली पूछ ही देता है एग्जाम में, सो you will be prepared for that, and that is also useful in numericals also, ठीक है? So we will continue in next video. Thank you, take care, खूब अच्छे से पढ़ाई करते रहो, बाय बाय।